Bye, cutie pie. I'll be back later, okay? I just stopped at home to get some things that I'm gonna need for a photo that I'm doing tomorrow, and of course to see my boys.
Hi, Stinky. You're all dirty. Dirty boy. You got something. You dirty. Baby. A fun goodie from my P.O. box. Got some McDonald's. Hey, baby girl. We gotta go potty. Outside, go potty, sweetheart. Oh, no. Okay, sweetie. Yeah, I bet you gotta go potty, don't you? Okay, let's go potty. I know. Hi, sweetheart. Okay. Okay, there you go, baby. There you go. And I'm off again to go hang out with Kennedy and Riker for a bit. It is 7:45. I'm gonna do a wet plate photo today. It's gonna be like a big collaboration. We're meeting at the University of Mary at 8 to get started, but I think I'm gonna stop by Starbucks real quick and grab a coffee. I know it's gonna be like really warm today, so I'm gonna get a cold brew. It's now 7:52, so I'm not gonna be there right at 8, but I need a coffee. And my role, like in the photo, isn't a huge one, so I don't think it's very important that I be there early, which I'm cool with. I kind of like that, having a small part, and then I can just kind of wander around and watch everybody else. I definitely have a nervous stomach though, that's for sure, because I've never done this before, so of course that causes me like a little bit extra anxiety, but that's just the way it goes. I need to deal with it. It's been a hot minute since I've vlogged anything. So I did the wet plate photo this morning, and then I did a Squishmallow video, and then I just edited and then kind of took it easy because I don't feel super hot. But now I'm gonna go home and shower quick. Hi, baby girl. So yeah, I'm gonna shower and then I think just like change, and I might even check my P.O. box because I haven't done that yet. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't enjoy it, give it a thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and come back tomorrow for another video. Bye!